Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome once again to Forex Success. This is Volatility 10 index strategy. Yeah, I'm trading Volatility 10 index right now. As you can see, I'm on profit. So, this is how I got my entry. I wait for this blue moving average to cross above the price chart, and then for the green Ichimoku to be at the overbought level. Yeah, then I place the sell. So, as soon as I get those two conditions, I'll place a trade. So guys, you can see when it crosses above, it's a sell, and when it the Ichimoku is at the overbought level, it's a sell. But if it's at the oversold level and then the green moving average crosses below, then it's a buy. So that's it, guys. That's the strategy we are using right now for Volatility 10. As you can see on profit, it's working. Look, as soon as it crosses above, it's a sell. More confirmations. Look, it's crossed above at this point and it's at the overbought level. It's a sell. That's how the strategy works. Again, it crossed above and the green line, it's at the overbought level, then a sell continuously. Guys, this strategy is powerful. It's really powerful. So you can start using this strategy to make money right now. Start using it to make money for yourself. Yeah, very profiting strategy for Volatility 10 index. Guys, showing you this on a small account. You see how it works. We're using it to make profit. Crosses above at the green line at the overbought level, then it's a sell continuously. You can set your stop loss above the moving average. Yeah, it cross above again, it's a sell. Yeah, we're on profit continuously. Exactly, guys, exactly how we make money right now. So this strategy, guys, you can start using it and make profit for yourself. So now, how do you set the indicators for this strategy? So the link to that video is on the description. Click on the link right now, the Volatility 10 index strategy. Then it is well explained how you can set your indicators for this strategy. You click on the link right now to watch the full video and make sure you don't skip any part. Watch the video and learn how to use this strategy perfectly and make money. So guys, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so we'll drop new videos.